Hello friends, Speedball Mike Bailey here, and welcome to the first ever and possibly only episode of the Barefoot shoe review. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Saint Viateur Bagel Dunks. Those are the shoes that I bought with my quarter of the $400,000 that was won by myself, Kevin Knight, Mark Briscoe, and Will Ospreay on Dynamite when we defeated Mortos, Ricochet, and Crew. Now, as was discussed on my vlog, fortunately or unfortunately, depending how you see it, I'm going to have to do with my quarter of that 400K because no murders took place.
Yeah, I went to Crew, man.
Hey, you guys, hold on just one second. Kevin, can you come with me for a minute? Just, yep.
So,
yeah, we're taking him out. Yep. I think we'll go with the murder. Let's do the murder. Okay, good.
No murders, at least not yet. But as promised, I bought a pair of shoes with my share of the money. Now, to be fair, the shoes didn't cost $100,000. They were more like, $125, I think it ended up being, which was quite cheap for shoes that are relatively rare, I think. So I remember when they came out in 2003, I attempted to get a pair immediately. But I couldn't. They were too rare, too in demand. They were sold out immediately, and I was unable to get my hands on a pair. They were first sold at the Nike store in the Eaton Center in Montreal, because they are a pair of Montreal shoes, which is where they were first distributed. They are the Saint Viateur Bagel Dunks. So Montreal bagels are pretty famous, and there are two main shops. There's Saint Viateur Bagel and Fairmount Bagel. So Saint Viateur Bagel is where Veda and I went when we filmed the Montreal food vlog. Okay, so
yeah, where are we?
We're at Saint Viateur Bagels. So Montreal bagels, often compared to New York bagels.
No.
Never.
Never.
Right? Never compared.
They're
Sorry.
completely different.
I was promptly corrected. Never compared.
Are they Saint Viateur bagels?
Yeah.
Say it in French.
The bagel all dressed, tout garni. But no one says tout garni.
I know, but I like to have as much French as possible.
I mean, they're great bagels. I don't really have a favorite between Saint Viateur and Fairmount, though I think they're both great. I think Montreal bagels are fantastic, underrated, and as you saw in the clip, cannot be compared to New York bagels. Okay, so let's have a look at the box. This is my first time ordering on StockX, and the shoes allegedly were in perfect condition. I haven't opened the box yet. I'm doing that live with y'all, but here's the box. And looking at it, the box is damaged. Also, isn't the special box that the shoes originally came in, they had their own bagel box, and I'll see if I can find a photo of that. Instead, this is the ordinary Nike box now. So let's have a look at the actual shoes. So there's I don't know what this QR code is. But yeah, let's peel it back. Paper is ripped. That's not a good sign. Again, I don't know what condition the shoes are going to be in. So they are looking quite nice. Things look good. So there's the little StockX seal on them. So they are very cool. They are sesame bagels. So you can see there's the sesame. There's the blue. I'm not sure why the blue, but they look very clean. They look very nice. The sole is very clean. My biggest worry was getting a pair of fake shoes. But no, these appear to be legit. So they look great. Happy with it. First time ordering on StockX, and I was worried about the condition, but yeah, these look pristine. So let's go try them on. Okay, here we are. So I'm super happy with the fit, as you can see. They look great. They feel great. Now let's see. The last question is, how do they kick?
Oh yeah.
All right, y'all. Thank y'all for having watched episode 1, the first and possibly only, probably only episode of the Barefoot shoe review by Speedball Mike Bailey. Unless you would like to see more. If you'd like to see more of these, let me know and I'll buy more shoes. Appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing. Thank y'all so much. Whoosh.